How to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. For that, you have to report to Facebook through another account. First of all, open your Facebook application and log into the another account you have. You can also ask for a friend to do so. Once you open the Facebook application from the another account, go through the account in which you want to recover your password. Once you go through that page, hit on the three dots, and then there you'll see an option of report profile. Hit on that and select something about this profile. Then at last you will see an option of something else. Hit on that and then hit on the done. Once you click on the report a problem and hit on the done, there you will see an option of change or reset your Facebook password. Hit on that. Then at last you will see an option of was this helpful? Click on no and select other. From here, briefly describe that you want to recover Facebook password without email and this account has been hacked or anything you want to say. Then hit on the submit button. Facebook team will help you out within the 24 hours. So this is the only way to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.